Hi, I'm Chris Johnston from Work Visa Lawyers. We've lodged hundreds of partner visas over the years. Here is everything you need to know about the partner visa. Currently, there are 3 different types of partner visas available. The prospective marriage visa or fiancé visa, the partner visa offshore, and the partner visa onshore. The prospective marriage visa or fiancé visa is the subclass 300. This visa lets you come to Australia to marry your prospective spouse and then apply for a partner visa onshore. The evidence required for a prospective marriage visa is generally less. You need to demonstrate your intention to be in a spouse relationship rather than actually being in a spouse or partner relationship. If you are in a married or de facto relationship with an Australian citizen, permanent resident, or eligible New Zealand citizen, and you are being sponsored by your partner, you might apply for a partner visa. The relationship has to be genuine and ongoing. There are 2 stages to the partner visa. Stage 1, a temporary partner visa, and Stage 2, a permanent partner visa. Applicants who are applying whilst in Australia will need to apply for a partner visa subclass 820, followed by an 801. Applicants who are applying outside of Australia will need to apply for an offshore partner visa, subclass 309, which goes to the subclass 100 for permanent residency. We know that every relationship is different, and the Australian Department of Home Affairs may need different kinds of documents to make an assessment of your application. Include evidence relating to the nature of your household, recognition of your relationship by family and friends, and your joint financial commitments to each other. Married relationship. If you're in a married relationship, you need to provide a legal marriage certificate or registration from in Australia or another country. The marriage document needs to be authentic and legally valid. De facto relationship. There are 2 ways to meet the de facto relationship requirements. Number 1, being in a de facto relationship which is mutually exclusive and that you've been with your partner for at least 12 months before you apply for the partner visa in or outside of Australia. In most cases, this would mean you've been living with your partner for that 12 months. Number 2, register a relationship in an Australian state or territory. This can allow an application to proceed when the relationship is less than 12 months old. You will need to provide sufficient evidence to demonstrate that a de facto relationship exists between you and your partner. There are some exceptions to the 12-month rule, for example, if there's a child of the relationship. Same-sex couples. Same-sex couples can apply for partner visas. They will need to demonstrate their relationship based on a married or de facto relationship. We've been successful with many applications for same-sex couples. Proof of a genuine and continuing relationship. The Australian Department of Home Affairs has some standard criteria to assess a genuine and continuing relationship. The main 4 criteria are financial responsibilities. This could include home loan, joint property, or a rental property that's in both parties' names, or an active bank account which has both parties' names. Evidence of a shared household. This could include things like bills and utilities. It could include evidence of living arrangements, and it could include things like shared financial responsibility for food and utilities. Social commitment. This includes statements from friends and family which attest to you being in a relationship. It can also be shown by photos from social events. Criteria number 4, commitment. This is a more general criteria and includes considerations of how long the parties have been in a relationship and the future plans that the couple has. Such criteria may be addressed in a statutory declaration to help prove the application. How long does the process normally take? Processing times can vary a great deal and are generally somewhere between 6 months to 2 years. For an indication of processing times, you can look at the partner visa processing times on the Home Affairs website. This will show you the processing times for recently decided applications. This is only a guide and is not specific to your application. Having strong evidence of your relationship can help with processing times. Sponsors. There are a number of requirements for sponsors. They must be of good character and need to supply police clearances. There are limitations on sponsoring more than one partner in 5 years. Main reasons for partner visa refusals: lack of supporting evidence of the relationship, inconsistencies in the application and in relation to the telephone interview with the department if they hold one, not meeting Schedule 3 requirements. This is about not having a substantive visa at the time of application. misleading social media posts and inconsistencies in those social media posts, sponsor problems. For example, failing to update Centrelink that they are in a relationship. How can you make an application strong? There is a lot of planning that goes into a partner application. You need to have a genuine and continuing relationship and ensure all the documents are provided as part of a visa application. How much does a partner visa cost? The Australian partner visa currently costs $8,850, and that's one of the most expensive application fees. So that's a summary of the requirements for an Australian partner visa. If you have any questions or need any assistance to apply for a partner visa, please contact us. We're one of Australia's largest immigration law firms and have a team of experienced professional immigration lawyers and registered migration agents that can help you. I hope you found this useful. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.